Good morning, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to change the stitch length on a sewing machine. The model that I have here is the Consew 226R-1. There was a point that I was looking for this information, but I just couldn't find anything about it. Especially back then, I didn't have the owner's manual when I bought the machine. I hope you like it. Before we do that, let's learn some parts that we'll be using. The first part is going to be on the bottom plate. It's going to be a little button. That's for setting the stitch length. And then on the arm there's an X mark, and then some numbers on the hand wheel, just like a dial. The numbers on the hand wheel means the number of stitches per inch. So the lower the number, the higher the stitch length, or the longer the stitch length. The higher the number, the shorter the stitch length. I hope that makes sense. Anyway, we'll do a couple of stitch samples here so you can see the difference between one and the other. And this is how I do it. So here I'm going to set the stitch length, number 5. I have my little finger pressed here on the bottom plate button. As I turn the hand wheel, I'm going to match the mark on the arm to the number on the hand wheel that I like, which is going to be number 5. And then I release to my finger here. Alright, so it looks like I'm finished sewing like 3 lines here. So we're gonna look at the differences between one line and the other. See how long one line is and how short the other lines are. When I did the sewing, I used stitch number 5, 10, and number 20. I don't know if you can see that in there, but you need to find a better spot. So there we go. There's number 5 stitches per inch, and they got number 10 stitches per inch, and then got number 20. You can see that how small they are. I hope this video was useful to somebody out there. Let me know if you have any questions. Also, remember when I bought this sewing machine, it came with a really old table that was made out of a particle board. I think we're just falling apart. The laminate, was just coming off the top. It was just a really bad shape, so I just got rid of that, threw it away, and replaced it with this 1 inch thick pine wood tabletop. I really like this tabletop right here, and put a nice finish on it. I think I used polyurethane finish, but it looks really nice from what it was before. And then I also remember I put like 2 metal bars underneath the tabletop here. On this metal frame, I added these 2 metal crossbars, just because the machine weighs at least 50 pounds and I don't want this tabletop to be sagging at all. So I added these reinforcements here in the bottom. Right now it's really heavy duty. It can hold like 1,000 pounds. Just saying. And then also I replaced the old clutch motor with a newer one. I got replacements, and this is a servo motor. It's a CS1000 model. It comes with a really nice control board here. This is a control box, and you can, it comes with like preset settings in there, so you can just choose the one that you want. If you want like slow stitching presets, you can just click on that. And or if you want to sew like really fast, you can do that also. We just need to preset it. It's really easy to use. It has some instructions on the side, just in case you lose the owner's manual. And here's the actual motor itself. It's really light, but it's really strong. It has a lot of torque. And there you go. I hope you like this video. Again, if you have questions, just comment below. Thank you for watching.